receiving a single notice of meeting since 30 June 2022. Therefore, I request the NSA to please send to me the notarized minutes of all meetings conducted by the Council from 30 June 2022, if at all there is any. I want to review what the Council has accomplished so far in terms of policies and recommendations for national security. Gusto malaman ng taong bayan kung ano ang ginagawa ng National Security Council at ano ang nagawa ng National Security Council. Moreover, please submit within 24 hours an explanation in writing with legal basis. Bakit hindi na member ang Vice President sa National Security Council, or bakit hindi ako nakakatanggap ng invitation ng meeting, whichever is applicable. And finally, I urge all the National Security Council members and the Filipino people to demand transparency and accountability from the personnel of the National Security Council. Shukran. Nagsabi ang NSC ng national security concern ang threat sa President, pero apparently they really do not consider the threat to the Vice President as anything of a concern. So, what kind of country is this? Hindi ba kaparte ng gobyerno ang Vice President? Hindi ba ako binoto ng mga tao? Hindi ba ako ang Vice President ng buong Pilipinas, ng lahat ng mga Pilipino?